Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. And if you're looking for the perfect cell phone holder to begin recording all of your creations, let me tell you that your search is over. This one is the Tryone Gooseneck phone holder stand. And the main reason why I think it's great is because I can set it to be in any angle I need it to be for the perfect shot. This one is also sturdy enough, so it doesn't matter how you twist it. It will hold your cell phone in place. It has an adjustable clamp, as you can see. You can use this to secure it. And well, this means basically that you won't need a super long tripod to get shots from above, for example. You can set it up to record the angle that you need pretty much. I've put this on the handle of my stove. I've attached it to my door, to chairs. It's really comfortable to use actually. So if you're starting out and you need a budget-friendly cell phone holder to use, this is a really good option. And this is why I really recommend this gooseneck cell phone holder, and I really love it. And that is my point of view.